Hey there, sunshine. So I am back with a Dia & Co. haul. So the first item that I have for you guys is a City Chic Lyra dress. This is $89. I have it in a size medium, but I put in my style size as a 2X. I'm a size 18. I am 5'8" for reference. I love this dress. It is so pretty. Is it worth $89 in my opinion? No, but I do love the belt. I love the waist that it gives me. My complaint is when I zipped it up in the back, it was comfortable. Like, I still had some wiggle room. This was not a tight-fitting dress whatsoever, but I noticed on the zipper stitching, like the side stitching of the zipper, there was some tearing. Like, somebody else struggled to get this dress on and, like, tore some of the stitching on the side, which is why, one of the main reasons why I decided not to keep this dress. I love the pattern of the dress. However, I have to say that this is very office wear. It's very, like, I'm going out and I have a professional job, and that's not the vibe that I'm looking for in my boxes. I said that I prefer something more edgy, more daytime appropriate, more comfortable, stuff like that. This second item I really don't like. This is the Molly and Isadora Tessa sleeveless lace-up back tank in a size 2X for $45. If this was a little bit tighter fitting, I think I wouldn't have hated it so much, but I don't like wearing stripes. I put that in my profile. I said, I don't like wearing stripes. Please don't do that to me. And they did me dirty like that. So I'm sad about that. I like the color. I like pink. I just hate stripes. This makes me look pregnant. I look pregnant in this, and that's not a vibe that I'm loving. However, I do like whatever they're doing, the stitching, I guess is what you say, that goes across my boob and kind of like brings it in a little bit. I just don't like the back. It's fall, so why are you sending tank tops? Like, it's just really not my vibe whatsoever. I don't feel like this box in total was picked out for me. I feel like they just kind of threw some stuff together and didn't even really look at my profile. There was some nice stretch to this, which I like, and I have never seen a tank top like this. Like, the back was so different than anything I've ever seen before, but again, this box did not feel customized to my personal preferences, whatever. I do like the length. I don't feel like there's anything wrong with the length. These jeans, I don't hate. I don't hate these jeans. These are RWN by Rawan Augustina Destructed Ankle Skinny Jean with a frayed hem. These are $78. I definitely feel like these jeans were too big, but I could only feel it in the waist. Like, the length was great. I did like the fraying. I really like the fraying. I like the color of these jeans. There was a bunch of, like, they were comfortable to wear. I could move around in these, but they were just too big feeling. And for $78, it was not my cup of tea. Like, I'm not willing to pay that for a pair of jeans. I just feel like that's really too expensive, especially since they were too big. Like, if they had fit me well, I would have considered it, especially since you get, like, a discount if you buy everything in the box, or you have that $20 credit applied to the jeans. I would have considered keeping them. I do like the way they make my butt look. I like the color of them. They're just a little too big. I like the length. I like the fraying on them. I feel like this was the only piece that kind of gave me that, like, edgy look that I'm looking for. But I don't feel like this went with anything else in the box. And again, I kind of wish that my sizing was a little bit closer fitted to my body. The top that I am wearing with this is by Leota, and it's an Annalisa cold shoulder tunic for $49. I love the colors in this. The colors are so freaking pretty. Like, it's bright, it's bold, it's everything that I want a shirt to be, but it's office wear. And it's fall. It's fall, and these aren't fall colors. This is a very bright, bold summer top, and it's November. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, if I were to wear this, I would have to wear it with, you know, a jean jacket or a cardigan, and I just don't feel like this fits with the cardigan that they sent me. I like the length. This is very stretchy, but again, I really get that office wear vibe from that, and that's not what I'm looking for. I do wish that this was a little bit tighter fitted. I don't feel like anything in this box really kind of showed off my body. I did mark that I'm looking to like hide my back. I like the shoulders, like the cold shoulder I don't mind whatsoever, but I feel like, again, like I just feel like the pricing for these pieces isn't what I'm looking to spend, and I don't feel like they're worth it, so I'm being a little harsher on them because they're, like, priced so high. I feel like if I were to pay $25 for the shirt, I wouldn't be mad at it, but for this being, like, $50, it's totally, like, not my style. The last piece that I have is by Dex Plus. This is the McKenna crisscross cutout back cardigan. It's black. It's $72. This did not fit me. It literally, I could not keep this on my body. It just kept falling off and falling off my shoulders. It was like very pilly looking, which I was like, why is it pilly if it's never been washed before? The crisscross back, I didn't mind. I thought that was interesting. This felt like a cheap cardigan. It was very open, which is very surprising. Like, it doesn't look it, but it was very like lightweight feeling. It wasn't warm feeling whatsoever, but I really had a hard time keeping this on my body. I like the black, but again, I don't feel like this fits in with anything else that I got in my Dia & Co box. So that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.